Alright, today I'm showing you an example of what you can do with Claude Desktop and a bunch of different MCPs connected to it. I'm going to say using Rube, find the most recent email I received about a proposal acceptance, download and analyze the file, then use Notion through Rube to build out the client portal under a new project, and after that set up the basic tasks under a new project in Asana. After that, find Rob Test and GoHighLevel and send him an iMessage saying how excited you are to move forward. So it's going to think through step by step, found the tools it has available. I found the most recent proposal acceptance email with a PDF attachment. Let me download it and analyze it. It's working on doing that now. All right, and we can see here, I found the most recent proposal. Let me analyze the PDF content to extract project details. I have the project details. Let me search for Notion tools. Let me create a plan for Notion. And so we can see here, it actually went ahead and created a portal. Click through, placeholder group, project overview, transform operations with cutting edge AI and automation solution, phase 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, key deliverables, contact information. Now, of course, I can go back in here and tell it, hey, create more pages, create a login page, create this, create that. And as you can see, it kills it with formatting. So now it's working through Asana. Let me create the Asana project. Let me create the sections. Let me create the tasks. Let me add key tasks. Let me add a few more essential tasks. And over here, we can see what it's actually doing. It created phase 1 foundation setup, foundation phase for the project, weeks 1 to 2, CRM setup and configuration, WhatsApp business integration, data migration and preparation. You can see it's starting to build step by step. Again, of course, I can come back in here and say, hey, you need to set up proper sections. You need to set up the tasks and the subtasks and the descriptions and the assignees and the due dates properly, even though I guess it is trying to do due dates right now. But obviously I'm asking it to do a ton of different prompts. You definitely don't want to do that in a situation like this. You're going to want to maybe focus one thing at a time. In this case, I just wanted to show a variety of different tasks all happening in just one prompt. But in reality, you're going to want to go, hey, if you're working on Asana, maybe chat with it a little bit back and forth regarding Asana before you move on to any other task, or especially more complex tasks like building a portal or working through an Asana portal. That being said, if I was to go to like GPT or even Claude itself, and before I did any of this, that was the sound of the iMessage. We'll look at it now. If I took the time to actually have it spit out a prompt where it lays out step by step exactly the tasks, the subtasks, the descriptions, the due dates, everything, it's gonna be able to one-shot it a lot better than if I just give it a mediocre prompt, kind of like I did where I just said, hey, do a bunch of stuff. It went ahead and found Rob Test and GoHighLevel. It pulled my phone number and it sent an iMessage. So let's actually confirm that. And we can see, obviously, it looks doubled because it sent it to myself. But hey, Rob, I just wanted to reach out and let you know how excited we are to move forward with the project. I've already set up the Notion client portal and Asana project board. Initial task for phase 1. The 15-week journey starts today and we're ready to transform placeholder groups operations with our AI solutions. Looking forward to working together. So we can see here the summary. So now it's laying everything out that it did for me. Found and analyzed proposal email, located the most recent proposal acceptance email, created the client Notion portal, set up the Asana project, found Rob Test and GoHighLevel, sent the app. So this is an example of what you can do. We here at SyncOS will help you with the service of getting your MCP connections installed so that you can start utilizing Claude, you can start utilizing MCP in 2025 to streamline your operations and just make your life that much easier. You can see right here I have a bunch of different tools. I have WhatsApp, I have Vappy, which is voice AI, read and write Apple Notes, read and send iMessages. That's how you watched it, send an iMessage right now, create appointments, delete appointments, check my calendar stuff form. I can have it generate voice messages with 11 Labs and then have them sent out with WhatsApp. Analysis on my Stripe and Square Financial. Tons of different things that I can do with this. If you'd like to learn more, if you want to install this for yourself, comment SyncOS down below and I'll send you all the information you need in order to get started.